Hi everybody, I'll be doing a magic trick. You'll first need a metal truck, 2 magnets. First thing you'll do is going to put the car wherever you want it to be. Then you'll get the first magnet and you'll put it right here or somewhere on top of your car. And then you'll take the other magnet and you'll put it behind the magnet and you'll push forward and the car moved. The car moved because this magnet was repelling this magnet because the north side was going here and the south side was going here. So, and it didn't have any gas or batteries for it to move. You'll also need when you're doing this magic trick, you'll have to put the car on some grip place so it doesn't go slippery, so it can go straight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my magic trick. Bye!